I am sitting in a 2013 Toyota RAV4. We have no keys for this vehicle. This takes a remote key. I'm going to program the remote in first, then the transponder. So we'll take the key, turn the ignition, turn it to on, go to Toyota, go to RAV4, we go to remote control, number 1. I'm going to program this remote. Okay, press lock and unlock on the remote at the same time. Then we press lock. There's our chime. It is programmed. Leave the key in. Back out. And we'll go to Immobilizer 3H. Go to service functions. We've got to reset immobilizer. Our security light is right there by the clock. You can see it blinking. I'm going to press reset immobilizer. The light is on solid now. It has been reset. Go to learn master key. Take your key, take it out, put it back in, turn it to on. Press the OK button. At this time, you'll get a status bar that goes across the screen. You can program 2 masters and a valet, 2 masters, or 1 master, 1 valet, or 1 master. Now, if you want to close the cycle early, before it ends here, with only 1 key, you can turn it off to on 5 times, which I'm going to do. There's the light, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That shuts it down early if you're just doing less than 2 masters and a valet. If you put 2 masters and a valet in, it'll automatically close. It'll say procedure complete, but it's already done. Okay. OBD port's right here. Take your key out. Lock in and unlock it. I can hear it. Put the key in. Security light is out. Vehicle runs. We are done.